Once upon a time, there was a boy named Oliver who lived in a little cottage at the edge of a great forest. One morning he found a white rabbit with unusually bright eyes sitting in his garden, munching on carrots as if it owned the place.
I'll show you how to maintain the character consistency, create realistic videos, and voiceover. Also, if you want to learn how to create realistic ad videos, you can join my paid course. The course will be live in a few days, until the price is $1. But the price will increase when the course would be live. First step is script writing. Claude AI is best for writing scripts. Ask it to write an interesting children's story. Enter your idea. It should be in paragraph format and ready for text-to-speech. You'll get story as you want. Then ask it to give you the complete character appearances of the main characters in the story. Now we can get image prompt based on the appearances. For prompts generation, we need to get them parts by parts. Copy the first para and paste it. Along the paragraph, ask it to give you a detailed prompt for each scene to generate 3D animated and Disney Pixar-style image. Maintain the character consistency. Include each character detail visible in the frame. Each prompt is unique, so don't use words like same, before, or previous scene, and don't use names. Treat each prompt as a new scene. Include complete details in each prompt, even if it sounds repetitive. Then a short and concise animation / image to video prompt along with image prompt to convert those images into videos. Include sound details also, but no background music. AI will give you detailed prompt for each scene. Then animation prompt for each scene. You need to repeat it for each paragraph, because AI cannot handle large tasks at once. Next step is image generation. The best image model out is Nano Banana Pro. If you have subscription of all-in-one tool like OpenArt, you can find Nano Banana Pro along with hundreds of other tools. Change size to widescreen 16:9. You can generate up to 4K quality images. If we go to free side, we have Flow. Create new project. Switch to create images. In settings, choose aspect ratio landscape, and in models, you'll find Nano Banana Pro. Enter the prompt and generate images. For video generation, we have both paid and free options. In paid tool, we have Google Veo 3, which also generates sounds. Open OpenArt, go to video section. Choose image to video. In model, you'll find all the top models, but choose Veo 3. Upload the image that we downloaded. Adjust the settings. You can generate 1080p videos or even 4K. Choose duration according to the scene. You can also use Veo 3 and Flow if you have Gemini Pro subscription. Click on Add to Prompt, paste the animation prompt. Switch to Frames to Video and hit Generate. The video is ready. But Flow generates videos in 720p only. You can upscale it to 1080p, but it's not good. Meanwhile, in OpenArt, you can generate 1080p or 4K videos directly. Here, all the videos are ready. In free video generators, we have Meta AI and Grok AI. In Meta AI, go to Create. At the bottom, switch to Video. By clicking on plus icon, upload the image. Then enter animation prompt and hit Animate. Let's generate multiple videos. Meta AI generates 5 seconds video, but without sound. It's best for bulk generation. Then in Grok AI, go to Imagine section. At bottom, switch from image to video. Paste animation prompt, then upload the image. Grok generates 6 seconds video with sound. But the video and sound is not perfect as Veo 3. Now we need voiceover. In the first prompt, we've already said that it should be ready for text-to-speech. Copy the script. In paid option, we have OpenArt. Go to Audio section. Here you'll find Minimax Speech and all 11 Labs models to generate voices. Paste your script. You'll find all the 11 Labs settings. OpenArt is basically all in one tool. Instead of buying multiple tools for image, video, and audio, You can get all of them under one subscription. Also, they update it with the most latest model in the market. For the free voiceover tools, you can watch this video. Its link is in the description. I've shared 8 free tools, so you can pick any. Last, we need to do some editing. Open any video editor like CapCut. Import all the video clip and the audio file. Click on Sort and select Time Created. Import all the videos to Timeline. Let's watch it without narration audio. You can leave it there because it has sounds by VEO3, or you can add narration audio. That was basic editing. You can add background music or other editing.
Once upon a time, there was a boy named Oliver who lived in a little cottage at the edge of a great forest. One morning, he found a white rabbit with unusually bright eyes sitting in his garden, munching on carrots as if it owned the place.
That's it. All the prompts are in the description.